10 Most Expensive Hotel Suites in America by Mariana Fernandez. The United States are home to a lot of opulence. Whether you're thinking New York, Los Angeles, or Las Vegas, there are plenty of ways the rich and famous of this world can spend some serious bucks living a luxurious lives. And we're not just talking about designer clothing or grand casinos. Today, we're taking a peek at the 10 most expensive hotel suites in America. And because nothing can do luxurious and opulent lifestyles like America, be prepared to see some incredibly expensive rooms. From private butlers to spas, jacuzzis, and kitchens, this list will walk you through the best places you can stay at when visiting the United States. But be warned, it will cost you. Number 10 is the Fairmont San Francisco, the Penthouse Suite, $15,000. San Francisco is one of those places everyone should see at least once in their lifetime. It's home to heaps and heaps of entrepreneurial spirit, beautiful views, and so much to do you won't have enough time in a week to go through every single thing you'd like to entertain yourself with. San Francisco is also home to the Fairmont Hotel, where you can book the Penthouse Suite for $15,000 a night. The suite in itself offers you dozens of options for entertainment, from a library to a billiard room, and, of course, a huge balcony that will provide you with the most stunning view of the city's skyline. Number 9 Beverly Hills Hotel and Bungalows, the Presidential Bungalow, $17,300. Just because you read the word bungalow, don't go thinking we're not talking about some serious luxury over here. If you're looking for the best place to stay in Beverly Hills, then you should probably take a peek at the Beverly Hills Hotel and Bungalows, which is as lively and beautiful as the city where it sits. Here you can book the Presidential Bungalow, fit for royalty. Hollywood royalty has actually spent a few nights here, and it's easy to see why. With a private patio, pool, and workout area, plus a gifted private chef, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. All of this can be yours for $17,300 a night. Number 8 is Mandarin Oriental, New York, the Presidential Suite, $18,000. The city of New York never sleeps, but that hasn't stopped the hotel industry from developing some of the most impressive infrastructures there. When talking about luxury in hotels, nothing quite compares to the modern and bustling elegance we see in New York rooms and suites. A great example of this is the Mandarin Oriental. This is the place where you can book a presidential suite for $18,000 a night. The price includes everything you'd expect from a suite like this. However, nothing quite matches the huge tub where you can relax while overlooking the city. New York has some serious views, and this is the best way to fully soak them in. Number 7 New York Palace, the Royal Suite, $19,000. The Palace in New York is probably one of the most famous hotels in the world. It's been featured and mentioned in a handful of movies and television shows that take place in the city. It's simply one of those staples that pops into mind when you're thinking about luxury and the Big Apple, and for good reason. At the Palace you can stay at the Royal Suite for $19,000. The name isn't the only thing that will make you feel like a member of the royal family. Everything about it screams greatness and opulence, and we're pretty sure this could be a fantastic surrogate for a movie set that depicts Marie Antoinette's life. 6 is the St. Regis, New York, the Presidential Suite, $21,000. Nothing screams opulence quite like saying you've been staying at a presidential suite, right? Especially of that presidential suite, just so happens to be one offered by the senior Regis New York, which costs a whopping $21,000 a night. We warn you, New York knows exactly how to do luxury. You can bring your closest friends over for dinner, or take a few moments alone to read and explore some of the treasures that the library offers. Either way, just know that you'll feel special as you walk through the immensity of this suite, since you'll be walking the same floor as many influential people did before you. 5 is Fina Hotel, the Penthouse, $39,500. It's time to soak up some sun. One of the best things about the United States is that it's so big, each state actually feels like its own country, with different climates everywhere you go. And just in case you're in a mood for some beach times, We have the perfect place for you to stay at in Miami. The Fina Hotel offers you the chance to book the penthouse for $39,500. The space was actually designed by Romeo plus Juliet director Baz Luhrmann and his spouse, and it showcases all the beauty of Miami. Huge windows that allow you to overlook the ocean, 5 balconies, and colorful, eccentric decoration that perfectly fits the vibe of Miami. 4 is Plaza Hotel, the Royal Suite, $40,000. The Plaza Hotel in New York is here to give the palace a run for its money when it comes to royal suites. Literally, considering that spending a night at this luxurious suite will set you back $40,000. But it's easy to understand where the price comes from while looking a little deeper into the details. The Royal Suite features a private gym, a high-end piano, and a library. Plus, you can enjoy the stunning view of Fifth Avenue from your master bedroom and enjoy the services of a personal butler and a private chef. If these aren't some serious living standards, then we don't know what is. 3 is Four Seasons New York, Ty Warner Penthouse, $50,000. If haven't heard of the Four Seasons, then you've probably been living under a rock for most of your life. No, seriously, this is one of the best regarded, most talked about hotel chains in the whole world, and they are present in every single destination that is worthy of note. Everybody knows that when it comes to the Four Seasons, you get what you pay for. And in New York City, you will pay $50,000 a night to stay at the Ty Warner Penthouse. That's right, this one-bedroom wonder offers a 360-degree view of the entire city, a chauffeur, a private butler, massages around the clock, and a personal trainer. You're paying for quality, quantity, and luxury. To the Mark Hotel, Mark Penthouse Suite, $75,000. Out of all the New York expensive suites out there, none is more pricey than the one offered by the Mark Hotel. Staying at the Mark Penthouse Suite will set you back an incredible $75,000 a night. This place made some serious headlines because it's the biggest penthouse in the entire country. We're talking about 10,000 square feet that include a terrace with a stunning view of Central Park, 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. If you're in the mood to throw some serious lavish parties, then this is the venue to book. Just make sure nothing gets ruined, because adding to that price is just painful. And number 1, Palms Hotel, the Sky Villa, $100,000. Finally, we present to you the Empathy Suite. At this point, you are probably finding it somewhat strange that Las Vegas hasn't been mentioned yet. With so many hotels to choose from, how is it possible that New York is winning the game? Well, here's the answer to all your questions, and it comes in the form of an insane $100,000 a night, located inside the Palms Hotel. This insane villa is like nothing you've never seen before. Except maybe in movies that deal with futuristic topics, because you'll definitely feel somewhat of an alien inside this place. You get a jacuzzi and a salt relaxation room to help you cope, though,